If your plant starts showing unusual signs, it might be worth checking. This condition is often associated with Xanthomonas vasicola pv.vasculorum. Some common signs include symptoms typically develop on the lower foliage first and spread to the upper foliage under favourable conditions. Narrow, streaky lesions of varying lengths, orange-brown or burnt yellow-brown in colour, develop on the leaves. They are translucent, have wavy edges, and are pale yellow, especially noticeable when illuminated from below the leaves. In some cases, lesions may appear first on the middle or upper foliage. Symptoms vary considerably between corn varieties and can range from small lesions to lesions covering 50% or more of the leaf surface area. This can affect grain filling and crop yield. A slimy discharge from infected leaf areas is another characteristic sign of this disease. This problem can occur due to the symptoms described above are caused by Xanthomonas vasicola pv.vasculorum. This bacterium can survive the winter in infected crop residues. The bacteria spread to healthy plants through rainwater runoff and wind during the early stages of plant growth. Infected crop residues can also spread from field to field via tillage tools, harvesters, or trusses. The bacteria can directly enter plant tissues without any prior wounds on the plant. Infection can develop in the same field for many years if susceptible varieties are planted and no treatment is applied. Favourable environmental conditions for disease development include high relative humidity, heavy rainfall, and prolonged wetness. Overhead spraying and irrigation in hot weather also increase the incidence of the disease. You can try natural solutions such as to date, there are no biological control measures to combat this disease. Preventive measures are essential to avoid the possibility of disease occurrence and reduce its incidence in plants. Please contact us and provide information if you know of any methods that can effectively combat this disease. If the condition becomes more serious, you may always consider the possibility of combining preventive measures and biological treatments to the extent that they are applicable. There are no chemical control options to control the occurrence and spread of this disease. To reduce the risk in the future, select disease-resistant or tolerant varieties if available. Monitor the field for signs of disease. Control weeds and wild plants. Remove crop residues from farming tools when working between different fields. Remove crop residues from the field after harvest or plough to bury them in the soil. Harvest infected fields after healthy fields to prevent the disease from spreading to other fields. Practice crop rotation with non-host plants such as soybeans or wheat. In summary, brown, burnt yellowish-brown, or yellow streaks appear on the leaves. The yellow streaks have wavy edges with jagged margins, starting from the lower leaf layer and progressing upwards. Follow the channel to learn more about keeping plants healthy.